it was time to replace my dingy floor registers. So I picked up these new ones on Amazon and let's talk about them. For starters, the finish on these is just gorgeous. These are a really sturdy and solid floor register. You get 2 in a package and they come with this net right here, which is really easy to install. This net is going to make sure that nothing drops into your vents. Especially helpful if you have little kids. This is a standard 10-inch by 4-inch vent, so you are going to want to make sure that you measure the opening in your floor for a proper fit. The vent should fit easily into your opening. This works perfect with carpet, but I am loving it on my tile floors. This does have dual directional vents to help with circulation, and when you close this, it actually shuts off the airflow really nicely. I think it looks fantastic. As I said, super sturdy. Definitely check them out.